Hello, welcome to today's mathematics class. Let's quickly look at these simple indices from grade 8 mathematics. We have simplify 16 raised to power 8 plus 4 raised to the power of what? 16. So the first thing we need to look at, since here is having base 4 and here is having base 16. So I want to have a common base so that at the end of the day, I can factor out. So let's go. Let's break this 16 down to the same base. So which means inside 16, remember that 16 is equal to 4 times 4. So which means I'm going to have 4 raised to power 2 in place of 16. So let's use it to replace this 16. So we have 4 raised to power 2. Remember, we still have 8 here. That is a base 8. So that 8 will be multiplied. Okay, good. Then plus 4 raised to the power of what? 16. So in this case, these two, according to the law of indices, if I have a raised to power m, then I'm having another power, which is n. It's going to give me what? A raised to power m n. So these two will multiply 8 to give me what? 4 raised to power 16. Okay. Then plus 4 raised to power 16. Good. So now 4 raised to power 16 and 4 raised to power 16, they are common. So which means I am going to factor out. If I don't want to factor out, I can just have the coefficient here as 1, add the coefficient here as 1. But let me not confuse you. Let's just factor it out. So if I factor out 4 raised to power 16, then I put bracket here. Factoring out means I would remove this. It means 1. Okay? Then remove it from here again. It means what? 1. So which means I got to have 4 raised to power 16. Then inside here 1 plus 1 is what? 2. Good. So which means we are now having 4 raised to power 16 times 2 raised to power 1. Because 2 raised to power 1 is sitting as what? 2. So at this point now, we express 4 here to the base 2. Okay. Remember that inside 4 we have 2 times 2. So which means 2 raised to power 2 is 4. So in the place of 4 here, I'm going to replace it with this 2 raised to power 2. So now I'm going to have 2 raised to power 2. Then 16 is here. 16. Then times another 2 raised to power what? 1. So in that case, this 2 multiply here. Going to have 2 raised to power 2 times 16 is what? 32 times 2 raised to power 1. So we can quickly recall the law of indices as if I have x raised to power a times x raised to power b. It's going to give me x raised to power a plus b. This is the law. So we apply the law where we have a common base, then the powers will be added because of this multiplication that is here. It means that we have 2 raised to power 32 plus 1. Final answer, 2 raised to power 33. So this is the answer to the question. If you find this class very interesting, help us to share this video so that we can get to a greater number of people across this platform. Bye.